Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone showing call failed when try to call someone. If you're also facing this kind of issue on your iPhone, in this video I will show you how to fix that. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you need to close that. Okay, after closing that, you can see a person's screen on the top. Airplane mode, just turn on your airplane mode and then turn it off after 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, now you need to try to make a call. It will working 100%. Okay, if that method not working for you and you are still facing the call failed issue on your iPhone, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down below again. Okay, and find here you can see appears on screen transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that. After tapping the transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. Okay, and then tap on reset network settings and apply it on your iPhone. After do that, you can easily fix your issue. If that method is also not working and you're still facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check your iPhone software update. Okay, make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS. To check that, open iPhone settings app. Okay, tap on general. After tapping the general, you can see a person screen software update and check your iPhone software update. Okay, you can see right now there is no pending update showing in my iPhone right now. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the last one. The last one is forced to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. So by do that 2 to 3 simple steps, you can easily fix that your iPhone call failed error appears when try to call someone. Okay, hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.